Welcome back to Julia's Jammin Kitchen. I love pistachios and all their buttery glory. This inspired me to make these delicious, nutty pistachio muffins. Now, let's get jammin' in the kitchen. First, I'm going to sift my all-purpose flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Now I'm gonna add my granulated sugar and pistachio flour and whisk together. Now we're gonna combine our wet ingredients. First off, our milk. Two large eggs. Combination of vanilla bean paste and almond extract. Some melted salted butter, some extra light virgin olive oil, and last but not least, some honey vanilla Greek yogurt. This is because yogurt tends to have a high fat content, and this is gonna add to the richness and moisture of our delicious muffins. Now I'm gonna whisk my wet ingredients. Our wet ingredients are nice and combined. Let's add these to our dry ingredients and whisk these two together until just combined. Our batter looks great. It smells delicious. I'm gonna set it to the side, grab our lined muffin pan. I'm gonna scoop our batter into our muffin tin and fill to the top. So today we're gonna be using my teeny tiny cookie scoop. So it might take me a few scoops to fill each muffin tin. I have some beautiful chopped pistachios and turbinado sugar in here. Most pistachio recipes call for pistachio pudding. I prefer to use pistachios in their natural state and let that buttery flavor really shine through. If you would prefer a more forward pistachio flavor, feel free to eliminate the turbinado sugar, or you can experiment by adding the turbinado sugar pistachio blend to half of the muffins and leaving the other half with just pistachios. Our muffins look great. Let's pop these babies in the oven. Our muffins are completely cool and smell delicious. Let's go in for a taste. Look at this crunchy top. And look how beautifully golden the bottom of our muffins are. All right, time for the taste test, guys. The flavor profile is very well balanced. That butteriness from our pistachios really comes through, and we don't overpower the muffin with the almond extract. The top has this delicious crunch when you bite into it. I can't wait for you guys to try this muffin. Now, go get experimenting in your kitchen, and I'm gonna go finish my muffin with a hot cup of tea. Thank you for watching. If you like this episode, please support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing with family and friends. I'll see you next time on Julia's Jammin Kitchen.